Good morning, Todd from Walnut Ridge. We've had a lot of calls in various units. It varies. Alliance, this Delta that is a new unit being prepped. Cougars, but I'm gonna show you this one on this Delta. It is prepped for solar, so your outlets, so your 110 outlets, it is prepped. So the factory wires all these up, and you can use this off your solar, but being prepped, it does not come with the inverter. Prep just means all the wiring has been ran by the manufacturer. So we're gonna take a peek right in the front compartment here. So right here is the prep. It's kind of hard to see. So it is prepped, but so that's your wire to mount your inverter. And then you do have to run a 12-volt line from the inverter down to the battery. So you have 12 volts. So they've ran the 110 wiring to the outlets, but without that inverter, you cannot use those dedicated outlets. So I've had a lot of call-ins on this where, well, my unit's prepped. Yep, it's prepped, but it's not complete, does not have that inverter. So we're gonna go inside the unit here and show you the outlets. So this unit in particular, the Delta, every outlet that is labeled GFCI, and it's every one of them. This one back here, so it has a little sticker on it, GFCI. So this unit in particular, every outlet, every 110 outlet that has a GFCI sticker on it, it runs through the main GFCI. So when you get that inverter installed, you can actually use every outlet in this coach. But like say on Alliance vehicles units, they run just dedicated outlets. So you may have maybe two out here in the main living area. You may have one or two in the bedroom. I don't believe they run for every outlet. So it just depends on the manufacturer, but this Delta, all theirs that say GFCI on the outlet, you get that, and it's prepped for an inverter and the solar to run your 110 outlets. You get that inverter installed, and we run it to the 12 volt side. You will be able to use every outlet in here as long as your batteries are up to be able to power that inverter, which it has solar obviously, so it's going to charge that inverter, which is going to charge your battery, charge that inverter, and supply power that you need to those dedicated 110 outlets for solar. I hope this video helps everybody out that's thinking about getting a new camper with solar prep. Just remind yourself that you will need to have us or yourself install that inverter. Hope you have a great day. Take care.